Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to log into Myprotein.com account. Myprotein is a British bodybuilding supplement brand which has developed into a family of brands including Myvitamins, Myvegan, Mypro and MP Activewear. So go ahead and open a web browser of your choice and in the search bar type in www.myprotein.com and hit the enter button. Then you'll be redirected to a page something like this. Below the search for a product bar, you can see various options such as protein, nutrition, activewear, vitamins. You can simply put your cursor there and a menu like this will pop up on your screen. You can even buy on myprotein.com without even creating an account. Simply click on the option you find suitable for yourself and select from various options available. Myprotein.com was previously only selling supplements, but now various brands have come together like Myvitamins, Myvegan and athletic wears as well. So Myprotein is not only supplements, but you can even buy active wear, vegan and plant-based supplements. And the incredible thing is that you can even see experts' advice on what you need to buy. So you can see the option of account besides basket in the right upper corner of your screen. Click on it. After that, a menu like this will pop up on your screen. In this option, you'll have to click on login button. Then you'll be redirected to customer login page. In this page, type in your email address and password. Before that, make sure that you've already created an account using this email address and password before. Now click on the sign in button in the bottom of this page. Now within matter of seconds, you'll be redirected to your Myprotein account page. You'll be directly sent to your account homepage. If not, you can see an account option in the right upper corner besides basket. Click on it, then click on my account below your name. Then you'll be redirected to your account homepage. In this page, you can see what activities are going on in your Myprotein account, such as your orders, subscriptions, and your wish list by simply clicking on the options in the left column of your screen below my account. To buy activewear, click the activewear option and click on the option that feels suitable to you. Then you'll be redirected to a page where you can choose from many options, and in these options, you can even put items on your basket. Just click on quick buy below the item and select your sizings and color and it will be added to your basket after you click on add to basket option in the bottom. So go back to your home page. In the right upper corner, you can see you have one item on your basket. So after logging into Myprotein account, now along with buying, you can put various products in your wish list and buy when you want to. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.